Come test drive this 2006 Lexus GX 470. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Lexus prioritized comfort and style by including illuminated running boards, skid plates, rain-sensing wipers, and air conditioning. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.